inside in Mama's house. Go!
Today's trash day, and I am putting in a 0G hose into the trash. A couple days ago, my wife came out and said, that hose is leaking out there. So I said, well, that's not too big of a deal, I guess, you know. Actually, we like these hoses. They're lightweight. My wife likes them because she can move them around. They're not heavy. However, last time I dealt with this, one of the hoses leaking, I had problems getting it off the anti-siphon valve because some kind of chemical reaction or something. On this here I was able to get the hose off, but the anti-siphon valve failed the next year and leaked. But you can see the residue that was on here. This time I have to buy a whole new nozzle because it fused itself into the nozzle. And you can see where I first tried by hand, and I'm not weak, and had to try the vice grips and just unsuccessful getting that off there. I'd have to get the monkey wrenches to get this off here. So if you get one of these 0G hoses with this aluminum fitting, you know, aluminum doesn't rust or anything, but it can corrode, and I believe that's what happens to these. They corrode in there and you're just stuck. So I got this apart. Not sure if you can see down there. Fused it together. Interesting. Well, not a good thing, especially if it's on your house. So just a heads up, I guess.